In this lesson, we will learn about more methods with which we can create shape layers. Go to Layer menu. We have to select either Composition or Timeline panel to get these options enabled. Okay, again go to Layer menu, New, Solid. Let's call it Circle. You can provide custom width and height. Just keep lock aspect ratio checked on and it will change height according to the width. I don't want these custom sizes, so just click on Make Comp Size and it will change its sizes to the composition size. Let's choose a color for it. Now just OK it and it will create a solid layer. You can consider this solid layer as a rectangle, but we cannot give corner roundness to it. So let me show you how we can create shapes with this solid layer. Actually, there is nothing new concept, but we are showing it to you because sometimes it will provide us awesome flexibility and our work becomes some faster. And also many people use it, so you must have an idea about it. Now to create a shape, I am going to create a mask. Keep this solid layer selected and let's create a circular mask on it. Now you can see we have a mask applied to the solid layer and we have created a circular shape. Now if you want to change its color, just go to the layer menu and choose solid settings. Now we can change its color. Let me set it to some gray. Alright, we have one more method to change its color. So go to effects menu. First select the layer. Now go to effect menu again. Go to generate and choose fill. And it will set a default color on it. You can change it by clicking on this color. And remember, when we apply any effect, the effect controls will be listed in the effect controls panel. If it is not open, you can open it by going to window menu. Now let's delete this mask and fill effect also. Now let's learn a new way to create shape. So go to effect, generate, and here we have two effects, that is circle and ellipse, which we can use to create shapes. So choose circle effect. It's not showing anything on the screen because its default color is white. Let's change its color to dark red. To increase its size, just increase this radius. Actually, we have a lot of parameters to control the circle effect and they will give us nice variation in animation. We will learn more about them in further lessons. You can also access controls of the circle effect from here, which is added as effects property to the layer. Now let me delete this effect. Okay, let me show you one more feature. I am going to create few circular masks and make sure they will intersect to each other. Alright, let's change their opacity. Let's set first mask opacity to 20%, second mask opacity to 40%, change third one to 60%, and last one to 80%. So now, if you look on the intersected areas, they are darker than their opacity. Actually, it's taking the average of opacities of intersected masks, and that is we don't want. It must be uniform. So to solve this problem, we can just set each mask mode to lighten, and it will make it uniform. You can see the difference. And by doing this, the opacity will not be affected. To check it, let's go to Project Panel and import an image. Now put the image below to the solid layer. Now you can see it's retaining opacity of each mask and it's also uniform. In next lesson, we will learn more about masking.